Hi friends, welcome back to Life with Chitti. Today we are making Sichuan-Style Stir-Fried Green Beans. இப்படி செய்யலாம் பார்க்கலாம் வாங்க. For ingredients, we have green beans. The front part and the back part needs to be trimmed and also washed. 250 grams of chicken mince, some red chili, and you can remove the seed if you want to reduce the spice level. 8 cloves of minced garlic, around 1 teaspoon of Sichuan peppercorn for the tingling taste. Stove on, and we're going to add oil. We're going to use a little bit more oil than usual today to fry the green beans. And now we can add our green beans. We're going to fry the green bean until it became soft and also wiggly. Once it's ready, we can transfer it to a bowl and we're going to cook it again later. And now we want around 2 teaspoons of oil. Add 1 teaspoon of Sichuan peppercorn. Fry it a little bit. Add 4 red chili. Add 8 cloves of minced garlic. And now we add 250 grams of chicken mince. Cook all the spices and chicken mince together and make sure the chicken mince are completely cooked. And now we're going to add around 4 tablespoons of light soy sauce. Mix them all together and make sure the chicken mince have absorbed the soy sauce. Once this step is done, we're going to add our green beans. Mix all the ingredients together and cook. And now we can start seasoning the dish. Add salt as taste. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar for the aroma taste. Add 2 teaspoons of light soy sauce. Do you guys know the difference between light soy sauce and dark soy sauce? The dark soy sauce is darker in color and also thicker in texture and usually used in non-veg dish to add some color. And light soy sauce is more salty and carries more flavor. Sichuan-style stir-fried green beans is now ready. If you like this video, make sure you like, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in the next video.